dealing with the qt5 VirtualBox DLL error in Oracle app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we begin the manual steps for qt5 VirtualBox, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the qt5 VirtualBox, a specialized library for Oracle VirtualBox that bridges the Qt5 framework with the VirtualBox VMM. It manages the rendering of the guest OS preview window. If missing, the VirtualBox Manager will fail to launch, reporting a GUI initialization failure. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. qt5corevbox is part of the Oracle package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of Oracle will repair missing or damaged components. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qt5 VirtualBox, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like qt5 VirtualBox DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for qt5 VirtualBox. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got qt5 VirtualBox working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.